bird hatched today, and they're both opening their mouth. So my dad's gonna show you. And they're opening their mouth, and that's why I was scared when I was there.
I think it's
And my brother's coming.
I think see the 3 of them.
How do you know?
Yeah, just one left.
Look, an eggshell.
Just a
An
one.
eggshell.
Just one more word.
There's just 2? There's 2?
Just one egg left. There are 3 words, I think.
Oh my goodness! Can I see?
Yeah, come.
But don't be scared about they're all opening their mouth.
You wanna see more? चलो तेनू देख दो देख लिया होर देखना चंगी तरह इधर आ जा इधर पासे ओके ओके
I need to go put on my shoes.
How many words?
I think 3.
3 of them, right?
Yeah. I don't want to break the bird nest. I don't want to break the bird nest.
No, we are not breaking the
Oh my
nest.
god. Can I see? Can I see? I can't see. Guys, I'll be right back. I'm going to go tell my grandpa.
Sahib, so you like the word?
Yeah, we're doing the video?
Yeah, we are in the video. तो बढ़िया लग रहे word? बढ़िया लगे चूचे किड्डे किड्डे ने
I don't know. I don't know. They look like a turkey.
छोटे छोटे ने है ना?
They look like a chicken, but not a cooked chicken.
Yeah. देखे किन्ने छोटे ने?
So sote.
Yeah. ਉਹਦੇ ਹਿੱਲਦੇ ਆ ਉਹਦੇ ਮੂੰਹ ਵੀ ਖੋਲਦਾ ਸੀ.
Yeah. It was like this. It was so old. It was like this. Look.
ਜਾਂ ਸੀਤ ਨੂੰ ਬੁਲਾ ਲਾ.
I want to see again. I am so happy. I am ton happy. I want to see again.
Okay.
They're like opening their mouth. I think they're hungry. I think they want cha with panini in it. No,
Tea?
they don't eat that. What?
They want tea with the biscuit?
Yeah, because that's what my grandma said. Because they're opening their mouth.
ਆਦੀ healthy
Can I see? I want to see. I don't want to see. I'm scared.
ਇੱਧਰ ਆ ਜਾ ਫਿਰ.
I'm scared. I want to see.
Okay.
See.
ਚੱਲ ਦੇਖ ਲੈ.
Oh,
Deख.
so cute. So cute.
So cute.
Yeah. Do you want?
ਉਹਦੇ ਹਿਲਦੇ ਸੀ ਦੇਖ ਉਹਦੇ ਹਿਲਦੇ. ਦੇਖ ਸਾਂ. ਹਨਾ?
And you guys, I thought today only one. They're moving so much. Guys, I thought only one today is gonna hatch, but actually 2 hatched today.
Yeah. Just one more egg left to hatch.
Yeah.
ਇੱਕ ਹੀ ਰਹਿ ਗਿਆ ਫਿਰ ਸਾਰੇ ਨਿਕਲ ਜਾਣਗੇ ਬੇਬੀ.
Then we can play with a baby.
ਰਾਤ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਦਿਖਾਵਾਂਗੇ.
No.
ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਲਾਸਟ ਵਾਰੀ.
I'm scared.
Why are you scared?
Then don't put me too close.
No, close ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ. ਆ ਜਾ. ਆ ਜਾ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਆ ਜਾ.
And I want to look on my
Okay. ਇੱਕ ਮਿੰਟ ਸੀ.
It's so cute.
ਦੇਖ.
So cute. Yeah, there's 3.
ਹੈ?
They're moving. Oh my gosh.
They moving?
Yeah. I want to see. They look weird. I want to see 3 times. I want to see 3. I want to see 3. They look so weird, like grandpa birds. They look like grandpa birds. Oh, sleeping.
Sleeping? No.
No, they're moving. If they're moving, they're not sleeping. Okay, pick me another up. And guys, look on the floor. There's a eggshell.
Yeah.
It's a blue one. I think the fall.
Yeah.
Maybe we should give them some tea and some biscuits.
No.
No, they don't eat that. They
Yeah.
only eat worms and seeds.
Yeah.
But my grandma said so.
So what they eat? ਸਾਹਿਬ ਹੁਣ ਦੱਸ ਕੀ ਖਾਂਦੇ ਆ ਉਹ?
So they eat worms and seeds.
Okay.
I don't think they eat seeds.
ਆ ਤੂੰ ਕੀ ਖਾਦਾ ਸੀ?
They do.
ਸਾਹਿਬ ਤੂੰ ਕੀ ਖਾਦਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਮੂੰਹ ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ? ਡਰੀਟੋ ਖਾਦੇ ਫਿਰ ਮੂੰਹ ਸਾਫ਼ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ
I ate Doritos too. Is my face clean?
ਤੇਰਾ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਤੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੂੰਹ ਸਾਫ਼ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ
One more look up the bed. I have a Dorito bed. Want to see again? Gun.
ਚੱਲ ਛੇਤੀ ਕਰ ਫਿਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਠੰਡ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਜਣੀ
Yeah. How do they get cold? Because the mama bird comes and they make them nice and. I am like wow.
ਹੈ
I'm like wow. I thought only one's gonna hatch today, just like the yesterday one hatched, but actually two hatched. They didn't think they were going because they're cold. Yeah, maybe.
ਛੋਟੇ ਨੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਤਾਂ
Yeah,
ਕਰੇ
they're so small.
Yeah.
Like maybe like a size of a mouse. A size of a baby chicken. I am so like wow.
ਸਾਰੇ ਨਿਕਲੇ ਹੋਣਗੇ ਹੁਣ ਕੱਲ ਨੂੰ
That's one more to have. I'm so excited.
ਚੱਲ ਹੁਣ ਬਾਏ ਕਰਦੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ
Okay, Sai, we need to say bye
Sai.
now. Bye, friends. Bye.
ਤੇ ਕੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਫੇਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਮੇਬੀ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਨਿਕਲਿਆ ਜੇ ਫਿਰ ਸਾਰੇ ਦੇਖਾਂਗੇ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ
Bye. Then we can play with them when they get a little bit older, like maybe 3 years old.
ਓਕੇ ਦੈਨ ਫਿਰ ਉਹ ਉੱਡ ਜਾਣਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਦੈਨ ਮੇਬੀ ਦੇ ਵਿਲ ਫਲਾਈ ਅਵੇ
Yeah, maybe they will come back, but I don't think this nest is too big.
so you wanna keep them here
Yes. When they get older, we can like maybe they will just leave and never come back, or maybe if they come back. So yeah.
ਮੇਬੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਯਾਦ ਹੋਵੇ ਵੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਘਰ ਆ ਇਹ
Yeah.
ਰਾਈਟ
Yeah, because one of the older houses. Guys, like I am so surprised that the mama bird put the nest here because this is a good spot to put it on top of the machine because so every day we can just come from this door because we open this door and we can just look at it, but not like all the time. Because we look at it, we just need to. Bye.